Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to see why the Chimp smoker is overshooting its set point. So I admit, I'm not an expert at using a smoker grill. When we bought the Chimp, it worked fine, and then we decided we'd change pellets for a different flavor. Once we did that, our Chimp smoker was not able to control the temperature. It began to overshoot at the set point every time we used it. So I called the manufacturer and I told them what we did, and they recommend that we slow the auger speed down. So that's what we're going to do, and hopefully that will solve our problem today. So what the manufacturer suggested we do to correct the overshooting of our set point was to slow down the auger speed. Her explanation was to push the mode button along with the up and down arrow buttons all at the same time. That will display the default auger speed of 9. Then she suggested resetting the speed from 9 to 4 or 5. I'm going to put it at 4 and see if that makes a difference in our temperature set point. Our set point will be 275 degrees. Okay, so what we'll do now is just wait to see if resetting the auger speed will work. So it's been about 45 minutes since I turned the smoker on. And right now, it's bouncing between 270 and 275 as far as the set point. It hasn't done that in a while, so I'm guessing that the fix is working. Yeah, we're set at 275 and we've got 275. So that's a good thing. We slowed it down from 9 to 4 and looks like it's going to work. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.